How to grow your e-commerce brand with Instagram. Are you tired of the old way of using Instagram to get new customers for your e-commerce brand? Posting a lot of content and hoping that it might get picked up by the Explore feed doesn't work anymore. The algorithm at this moment is just too bad, and maybe only 5 or 10% of your current followers will see your posts. But don't worry, there are two strategies that work really well today for my clients and our own e-commerce business. And make sure you pay attention to strategy number 2 because that's where the juice is gonna be. Hey, my name is Joachim, Badejoh, founder of Badejoh, social media advertising agency that works with e-commerce brands. I'm a little bit sick, so don't mind the tone of my voice. Okay, first, and you might know this, you need to focus on Instagram Reels. Reels have a higher chance of still going viral and for new people to discover your products and content. I recommend making different types of videos to keep things interesting and engaging. Try to showcase your product in action, share behind the scene footage of your business, or making educational content that helps people learn more about your brand. But the goal is to get them to your Instagram profile, and I'll explain that in strategy number 2. So the second strategy is to look at Instagram in a total different new way. If you can make this shift, amazing things will happen. Instead of using Instagram as an acquiring platform, use it as a nurturing platform. Focus on content that explains more about the brand, about what your brand stands for. Focus on content that explains more about your products and your brand values, so that people have a better understanding what your brand stands for. This will help you build a deeper connection with your potential clients and increase chances of them buying your products. But you might be wondering, hey Joachim, how do I drive traffic to my Instagram profile? So I already explained you, number 1, you could use Instagram Reels. That's, in my opinion, the best way is using Instagram ads. You don't need to spend a lot if you're just starting out. Spending just €5 a day can already help you drive a lot of traffic to your Instagram profile, but also to your webpage. Not only will this help you get new customers, it will also help you retain customers. By providing valuable and engaging content, you can build a stronger relationship with your audience and encourage them to continue buying from you. In addition to using Instagram ads, you can also collaborate with influencers or other businesses to drive traffic to your Instagram page. This can help introduce your brand to a wider variety of people and a new pool of potential customers. Overall, Instagram is a very powerful tool to grow your e-commerce business. By using the strategies outlined, you should find some success. And if you want to start with TikTok advertisements, I would recommend you watching this video where I explain how you can make your first 10,000 in revenue by utilizing this strategy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bade out.